Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change light Audi A6 C6. Park on level ground, turn off the ignition, and disconnect the battery before beginning. Gather a flat screwdriver, T10 and T20 drivers, replacement bulbs, and clean gloves. Work methodically, label screws and connectors, and avoid touching glass bulbs. After replacement, reconnect the battery, test lights, and adjust beam alignment if needed for safe road use. Removing the bumper or inner fender gives access to the headlight assembly, so loosen trim fasteners carefully. Unscrew visible bolts with a T20 driver and gently pry clips with a flat screwdriver. Disconnect electrical connectors and release headlight mounting tabs, then slide the assembly forward. Keep bolts organized and wear gloves to prevent oil on bulbs. Replace bulb, resecure tabs, and reattach bumper components. Testing lights after reassembly for safety now. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long garage sessions and cold mornings. I mention that because comfortable feet make focus easier when you're under the car. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks everyone. Now let's get back to the video. Know whether your Audi uses H7, D3s, or LED modules before ordering bulbs, because fit and alignment differ. Always handle bulbs by the base and replace like for like to preserve beam pattern. After installation, set the car on level ground 3 meters from a wall and check beam height. Adjust aim using the headlight adjusters until beam cutoff matches specifications to avoid blinding oncoming drivers for safe night driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.